Process documentation is important to prove the success of the program. A MELAflash CF card and 2 network connections are available for log output. Documentation with a network cable means that the recorded logs are saved directly on the computer or network. The MELAflash CF card, which is included in the scope of delivery, is preset as an output medium. The slot is located behind the cover cap on the right-hand side of the MELAtherm 10 Evolution. When inserting the card, please ensure that the MELAG logo points towards the LED. When the CF card has been inserted correctly, the red LED will illuminate for a short time. We recommend outputting the CF card on a monthly basis for data backup purposes. Please remove the card by pressing the ejection button. You can use the card reader to access the CF card and open the logs via computer. When opening the log files for the first time, you must choose a conventionally available word processing program, such as Word or Notepad. The opened logs provide detailed information about the process parameters and the batch approval.